Daniel Mulhern is an English television presenter, magician, comedian and actor. He began his television career on CITV, appearing in the children's shows Fingertips and Tricky TV. Mulhern has presented various television shows for ITV, including Britain's Got More Talent, Animals Do the Funniest Things, This Morning's Hub, Catchphrase, Big Star's Little Star, In for a Penny and Rolling in It. He also co-hosted the Sunday Breakfast Show on Heart Radio, alongside Emma Willis. He is also best known for being Ant and Dec's runner on the popular TV show, Saturday Night Takeaway. Mulhern gained his interest in comedy and magic from his father, who taught him tricks when he was 11 years old. The family spent their holidays at Butlins Minehead in Somerset, where Mulhern began performing in public. He became the youngest member of the Magic Circle, which brought about an appearance on Blue Peter in a piece about Harry Houdini. Mulhern was later suspended from the Magic Circle for revealing a magic trick on Fingertips, a children's TV show. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.